Can you believe we're the 1st of July? June is in the record books, and actually it's going down in the record book. So we're going to take a little bit of a view of what we finished with. Now, if you can remember the beginning of June, we had temperatures that were dropping into the lower 40s. That were the coldest numbers, was 43 degrees on the 1st and the 2nd. Then we had almost 2 weeks of below average afternoon highs. It was a cool start to the month, and by the end of the month we finished over 2 degrees warmer than normal. It is now going down in the record books as the 9th warmest on record. There also was almost an inch of rain on the last day of the month, which put us right where we should be for the month of June, just a deficit of 2/100ths of an inch of rain. Now, beginning the month of July, looking good. Today's high, 79 degrees. The low was warm in the lower 70s, and there was a lot of stickiness out there. The sunset at 8:58 showed you the time lapse of that earlier, where there was still daylight, if you will, closer to 10 p.m. Of course, we're ticking down on that, but we won't get into it. As we look at our satellite and radar shot, we have been quiet over the last couple of hours. We lost the heat of the day. We lost those chances of showers and thunderstorms. In fact, we'll be clearing throughout the night, and it will be cooler, but we're also still going to have some areas of fog, mainly right along the lakeshore communities where the winds are light and coming off of the lake, and even into central Erie County, we're going to have some of that fog. So it's coming in off the lake, and as the winds shift, that fog will shift as well, push a little bit further north, and then by noon or so on Wednesday, all of that is gone. We'll have some high clouds start to pull on past and partly cloudy skies into the evening. We will find a shot for rain coming in late Wednesday night. So if there are fireworks in your town going off on Wednesday, still looking good. Early into Thursday, there are some spotty showers, and by the middle of the day, all of that is long gone as well. And that sets the stage not only for less humidity, but a beautiful 4th of July. And of course, before we get to the 4th of July, the 3rd of July, Thursday, the Bisons have the BPO there. Absolutely gorgeous. Temperatures near 80, pleasant into the evening. The sun sets right around 9 p.m., but temperatures are going to be going into the 60s, and that's going to be the same case for our Friday. Low humidity levels, low amounts of wind, mainly clear skies. Great for fireworks going off and to watch them as well. But as the sun goes down and the temperatures get into the 60s, you may need a light jacket, in fact. Now, going into the weekend, the heat and the humidity returns, especially on Sunday.